Notice that you can't focus on a long paragraph of text anymore? You open a book, and 3 sentences in, your mind screams, "Check your phone." Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain can't read a book anymore. Your phone trained it that way. Think about it. You can scroll for hours, but you can't turn one page without distraction. Not because you're weak, not because you're busy, but because your attention span has been hijacked by your phone. And here's the kicker. A goldfish can focus for 9 seconds. You? 8. The book versus the slot machine. A book demands patience. Your phone offers instant dopamine. Guess who wins? Every swipe, every notification, every like, it's a slot machine pull. Your brain doesn't care about wisdom on page 37. It cares about the jackpot of the next video. That's why reading feels harder than scrolling. But remember this, one page makes you a reader. Why reading feels impossible. When you sit with a book, your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain, tries to take control. But ancient wiring sabotages you. Your brain now labels reading as discomfort. So it fights back with fake fatigue, restlessness, that itch to grab your phone. It's not weakness, it's biology. Your phone rewired you to resist focus. But here's the truth. Turning one page is already a win. The science of rewiring. Here's the plot twist. Your brain is plastic. Neuroplasticity means you can literally reprogram it. Readers weren't born with better brains. They built theirs. Every page was a rep. Every finished book was proof of discipline. Focus isn't talent, it's training. And every time you read one page, you train your identity as a reader. The 30-Day Reader Protocol. Forget motivation. Motivation dies after one page. What you need is a system. Step 1. Phone exile. Put it in another room. If you can reach it, you'll grab it. If you hear it, you've lost. Week 1. 5 minutes. Read one page. Every day. No exceptions. Week 2. 10 to 15 minutes. That's 2 or 3 pages. By now, you're not just reading. You're becoming a reader. Week 3. 20 minutes. Or break it into 2 10-minute blocks. Page by page, you're building momentum. Week 4. 25 to 30 minutes. Reading comes first, before screens, because by now, you don't read because you have to. You read because you are a reader. Discipline over dopamine. This isn't about books. It's about reclaiming your brain. Your phone is stealing years of your life. Every scroll is time you'll never get back. But every page you finish is proof you're stronger than the machine. One page makes you a reader. One book makes you transformed. Discipline isn't what you do, it's who you are. So put the phone down, pick up the book, and prove your attention span is worth more than 8 seconds. If this hit you, subscribe. Comment the book you'll start with tonight, and let's build a community of readers, one page at a time.